Well, September is World Alzheimer's Month. It's a frustrating condition for those who suffer with it, as well as for their loved ones. But as Matthew Petrillo tells us, while there's still no cure, there are ways to slow it down.
5 million Americans suffer from Alzheimer's, and there are few solutions for them that exist, says Scott Bonner of the Pottsville Home Instead Senior Care.
Alzheimer's is one form of dementia, and it's a slowly progressing disease. Unfortunately gets worse as time goes on.
Alzheimer's can also take a toll on family and friends.
A lot of individuals who have family members with Alzheimer's wake up every morning with anxiety and fear, not knowing what to expect. And oftentimes fear comes from not knowing.
So his office is giving away free resources to help families cope, especially if they have a loved one with the disease.
There's no cure for it at this point. There are medications that help slow down the progression of the disease.
His free Confidence to Care at-home kit is an at-a-glance collection of information, tips, and resources to help handle difficult situations, avoid household accidents, and prevent stress.
Alzheimer's affects short-term memory. Usually long-term memory is not affected.
And it shows you some common symptoms, like problems with speaking, nighttime wakefulness, rummaging around or hiding things, showing belligerence, anger, or aggressive behavior, wandering around, and refusing to eat. Still, there's a number of ways, he says, to lower the anxiety for those who are struggling with Alzheimer's.
Redirect their focus away from whatever is causing them the anxiety or the anger to some other topic or subject.
He also says to be patient with family members and take into consideration their point of view.
It's also important to remember when you have a family member or a loved one who has Alzheimer's that it's the disease and not the person that's acting out.
If you want your own kit, just stop by his office at 115 South Center Street in downtown Pottsville. Matthew Petrillo, News 13, Pottsville.